Okay, so this isn't my usual content. I'm a streamer, gamer, whatever you call it, but I'm doing some Photoshop here, and this is just like really weird that I want to make a video about just to show it in case anyone else has this problem. And because I was googling and I couldn't find anything, so we're gonna take this awesome handsome photo of me, see right here. This is me in my awesome Jersey Mike's uniform. We're gonna take it. We're gonna center this right here, just like that. Normal, right? So I was in here today. I was like, guess I'll check out these neural filters. You know, let's check these out. So let's go here. We turn on smart portrait. This is the one. I go to expressions. I do like surprise a little bit, and it takes a second. It takes a second. Okay, there we go. Yeah, now see, it doesn't work like at all. Almost. It's so weird. Yeah, and it changes differently. Yeah, it's doing this where it's like we temporarily disable this feature. Okay, yeah, that's just not me at all. Or maybe it's okay. I turn these retain unique details. Yeah, there we go. That's weird. See, it starts doing this really weird thing where it's so strange. So now it's okay. It's doing this one. I've seen this one before. So if we turn retain details all the way down, then we see this sort of man appear. Strange. I know it's like, I think it's like some sort of AI they use. Like, what is that? Hello? Oh, they disabled it again. Whatever. They're trying to stop me from saying the truth. But so this is what happened before. Is this face emerged from? So this photo, obviously, I edited a little bit already, but that was just with Liquify. But this face emerged. And I don't know who this is. This looks like, it kind of looks like Nixon, I'd say. Mostly the ears, I'd say, and sort of the head shape. But then there's also other ones. Like there was this one, which we saw before, which is very similar to this one. And then there's also this one, which is like balding, and you can kind of see it's the same sort of. It's very similar to this this other one. I don't know if I'm crazy. Does that kind of look like the back of my chair? It looks like that, so maybe it's like a photo. It's so weird. This is the first one I rendered, which has led me down this rabbit hole, is this, where it kind of looks cool. I wish I could figure out how to do this effect without like this neural filter tool. But like the jagged like face shapes, it looks like something straight out of like a video game, like a broken texture. It almost feels like one of those like creepy pastas, like one of those like haunted like a program or something. This is weird though. This guy. Have you seen this man? If I image search, maybe I could find someone else that found it. No. Anyone else but creeped out by the new neural filters in Photoshop? This was 6 years ago? When was this?
Okay, so I'm just messing around with this new Photoshop's.
Okay, so that's it. That was it 6 years ago? I can't seem to find anyone else having the face generated. Which is so strange. Adobe Smart Portraits filter making weird colorful faces. No. So is this just AI bugging out? I want to be able to recreate this. I don't know how I did this before. If anyone knows anything about this, just comment below or email me. I think I have my email's linked in my profile. I don't know what this is about. I'm so curious about this. But this is what I do offline. You know, this is what I do. I find weird problems in the shit I use, like Photoshop, and I hyperfix out. I'm trying to figure them out, and I couldn't find an answer for this one. So if anyone has the answer, please tell me. I'd love to know. Is it just AI bugging out? Is this a real person's face, or is this just AI trying to make a face that looks like mine for some reason? I mean, it's failing, but at least that one's cool. I like this one. This is almost an album cover, basically. But whatever. It's late as hell. It's way too late for me to be recording anything. But so yeah.